You know how your hair has been in a state for about a week and you're like, I don't feel like washing it again. So you're like, what can I do to my hair? I was kind of like that this weekend, and I'm trying to stay away from tight slick backs. But in the end, the slick back won the race, and I was just here for it, okay? So that's what we're doing today. This is going to be a slick back, but it's going to be less tension, and I'm not going to put all my hair back. As y'all see, I parted two little frontal pieces in the front of my hair as little curly pieces to be real cute. And of course, I use my favorite Ecoslay combo, which is the Sangria Hair Refresher and the Jello Shot Curl Defining Gel, because it just does everything that you need it to do. It never disappoints. Even did my edges with the Jello Shot, which I typically don't do, but I was like, why not? Why apply different products when I have these two sitting right in front of me? I wet my little curly pieces in the front once I slicked my hair back. And as y'all can see, it's not the sleekest thing ever, but once putting my scarf on, it laid and it was cute and it did the job. So yeah,